Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to use GoTrader Pro app by KK Securities Limited. First of all, you will have to enter your PIN that you have generated and click on Verify PIN. After that, Market Watch list will appear. To create your own list, you will have to click on these three dots. After that, click on Create New. You have to enter the watch list name here and then click on Create. After successful creation of the list, you will be able to see your list name here. You can change the layout type of your list from clicking on these three dots. To add the script into your watch list, you will have to click on this add button and type the script name here. For example, I have added the Tata Steel share, and after clicking on that, it has been automatically added to my list. To buy or sell or watch the chart, you will have to click on the particular script. For example, I clicked on ITC. By clicking on chart, you will be able to see this chart. This is the candlestick chart for analysis. To buy or sell, you will have to click on buy. For example, I have clicked on buy, and you can change the market order by clicking on this arrow, and you can put the quantity here. I have entered the market order here, and then to place order, you have to swipe to the right. It will ask you to confirm your order. You can click on confirm order, and then after that it will say that your order has been placed successfully. You can click on view orders to view order status. After that, your order book will show all the completed or pending orders, and your trade book will show that orders that has been completed. You can explore the various tab, dashboard, position, and market. By clicking on the bell icon, you will be able to see the notification. You can filter the notification if you wish to. By clicking on market, you will be able to see the real-time market updates and news. From here, you will be able to see the indices, the sector performance. By clicking on this arrow, you will be able to see the detailed sector performance, and you can see news from here. And when you click on this arrow, you will be able to see all the links, and you can filter the news if you wish to. You can explore various tabs by clicking on these three lines. You can explore all these things. By clicking on scanner, for example, all these things will appear. You can click on top gainers and losers to watch those, or you can click on these important links to check the links. To add funds to your trading account, you can do that by clicking on your profile here. After that, this will appear, and you will have to click on add or withdraw funds to add funds to your trading account. You can also log out from here if you wish to. Thank you and happy investing.